Hey everyone, I'm Jennie Kwan. I'm so excited to share with you my skin routine every day. I've been using Jong for quite some time and I am so happy with the results. So I would love to share with you what I do every morning and every evening. I've been performing since I was 11 years old. And when you do a lot of TV, film, or stage work, a lot of the times you're using a lot of makeup and for long periods of time. So first thing I want to do when I get home is just wash that makeup off the day. And what I love to use is my clean potion. I really love face wash. It is so clean and almost all natural. It takes off all heavy makeup, sunscreen. It's non-greasy. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and smooth. So I'm going to show you how to use it. All you need to do is get a full droplet. Yes, that's right. And just pour it into your hands. And what you're going to want to do is just dab it onto your face like this. That's so soft. And all over. Get all that heavy makeup off. It will just pick it up. Rub it in, give yourself a nice little massage. A nice little facial for yourself. Then you can just turn on that warm water. Massage your face again until the face wash becomes nice and milky. Rub it in, get all the sunscreen off. Take off that day. Take off that day and rinse. So soft. I love it. I really do. All right. Aside from using my clean potion daily, what I really love to use is my day potion. A lot of people know about moisturizing and cleansing, but a lot of the times we forget about antioxidants. This day potion is amazing. It really protects against environmental assaults and UV rays that break down our skin and make us age quicker than we want. So antioxidants are very important. What you do is after you use your cleaning potion, you can just be sparingly on the day potion. On a clean face, just get a little droplet. This goes a long way. Just rub it together a little bit. Dab, dab, dab all over. It's nice and light and it smells good. This is going to hold your makeup all day long and it's going to give you a nice glow. And don't forget your neck. We tend to forget our neck and we want our necks to age as nicely as our face does and not fast. So don't forget that neck. I am ready to go. I don't like to wear a lot of face makeup, so this is nice because it keeps me looking fresh and dewy. If you do wear makeup and if you tend to wear a little bit more for coverage, all good. What you can also do is take a little bit more of the day potion and just dab the cheekbones or anywhere that you want to highlight. And it just gives you that nice glow all day long. Love it. And one thing that I really love about it is it evens out your skin tone. And that's something that is really important to me. So it's just magic in a bottle. Now at nighttime, the skin routine that I do is clean potion and I use my night potion. This is amazing for regenerating and renewing the skin. It has an alternative to retinol and it works while you're sleeping, and so that's why it's so brilliant. You use it the same way. Just gonna show you guys. Take a little bit of droplet there, dab it on your fingers, Same thing that you'd use for the day potion, same way. Just dab it on. A little goes a long way. After using my potions, I use my two favorite moisturizers, the Synergist and the Zen Source. I love these two moisturizers. The Synergist deals with aging skin concerns like lines and wrinkles and firmness. All you do is take the pump and you can control how much you want. I'm just going to use a little bit here to show you guys. I rub it in after I use my night potion. It just locks the serum in. So nice. It renews and regenerates. When I wake up in the morning, I still feel the moisture in my face. I love it. It's so light. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your skin. It's like I can feel like it's doing its job overnight without even knowing it. So I use that almost every night. Now, if I'm not using my Synergist, if I've been working a long day, if I've been doing a photo shoot, or I happen to be doing, say, a guest spot on some show, I turn to my Zen Source. This is really great because it just, the second you put it on, first of all, I'm going to show it to you guys. The second you put it on, it feels like a cloud, and it soothes everything. If you feel like your face has been overworked, if you have been wearing a lot of makeup throughout the day and you put it on, it instantly soothes your skin. It feels really good and soft. Again, if you have any irritation, this calms everything down. You could feel it going to work instantly. It goes deep. It's so clean. Also helps your skin shine. Let's talk about eye cream. Now, throughout the years, I've tried so many different eye creams. That is a spot for me that I am sensitive about. I started using my Synergist eye, and I use it every morning and every night. I literally only use a little bit. Again, I've used so many eye creams. I think this eye cream has changed the wrinkles and fine lines under my eyes. A lot of the times women or people worry about what we call crow's feet. And when you put this on, it doesn't drag your skin. It doesn't crease when you put makeup on. When I put it on at night and I wake up in the morning, it feels like all the lines have been filled in. You wouldn't think that such a light cream would do the trick, and it really does. It's so soft and soothing. I like to kind of spread it a little further out. But this Synergist eye cream is the best eye cream I've ever used. Here is one of the most important steps in skincare. We all know the word sunscreen. Just a little tidbit, growing up in LA all my life as a kid, a teenager, and still to this day, I am at the beach as much as possible. Now, when I was younger, I took advantage of my skin, and maybe I was a little careless and not wearing sunscreen, but as I age, I have changed my tune. So let's talk about the Hydrative Day UV. This sunscreen is a moisturizer and a sunscreen in one. When you apply it, it's great because not only does it block all the UV rays, a lot of the times when you put sunscreen on, it leaves your skin looking pasty and white. No, not this one. You can just rub it in. It smells good. A lot of the times when you buy sunscreen, sometimes there is that, like how I like to say, that 1980s smell of the sunscreen. This does not smell like that. It's so nice and clean, and it smells clean too. So you know you're doing something really good for your skin. I will wear this at home with or without makeup. It's really protective. I could feel it. That nice layer, it's not so heavy. It's not white at all. Now, if I'm going out for the day, especially now if I'm going to the beach or just driving in my car, what I'll use is my Zen Source Healthy Glow. And this has a really nice tint. It has a really great tone to it. It's not too heavy. This is great because, again, it blends so nicely into your skin. And I can use everything with my fingertips, as you see, to really blend everything. This is really great because not only does it protect against the harsh UV rays from the sun, it also blocks the blue light that is so damaging for your skin. Nice and glowy and not heavy. Nice to have that extra little added tint without it looking so heavy and caked on. So there you go. You're ready for the day to be out in the sun. So there you have it. That is my simple daily skin routine. It's not difficult to do skincare when things are made easy for you. So that's why I love Lex & Jong products. And for myself, whenever I love any sort of product or anything, it can be food, it can be a class, in this case, my skincare. When I love something, I just love to share. It's so soft and easy, and when things are made easy for you, you're more likely going to use it. So if you guys would like, try Lex & Jong. It's amazing. If you need more information, you can visit www.lexandjong.com. And if you guys have any questions about what I've just done here, or any questions about the business, or what it's like to be in the business, TV, film, voiceover, theater, singing, anything, I would love if you guys would follow me on my Instagram page, which is Jennie_Kwan. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and happy skincare!